Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to log in Candy Crush Solitaire on your device. And whether you are a fan of card games or looking for a relaxing escape, Candy Crush Solitaire offers a fun and engaging experience for players of all ages. To log in app Candy Crush Solitaire, you need to simply follow a few steps which I'm going to show in this video. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure that Candy Crush Solitaire is already installed on your device. After clicking on the app, this is the very first home page of Candy Crush Solitaire, and here you begin your game. And to log in app, you need to simply complete 2 levels. This is how you can play the game. You need to just simply tap on the card, which is lower to higher or higher to lower. This is how your level 1 is completed. Now you need to just collect your rewards. After clicking on the collect, which is highlighted in color green, you need to tap on the postcard option to see your tags. And here is one symbol of to use the energy you just need earned. Now you are ready to play a level 2. After clicking on the option level 2, which is at the very left bottom of your page, now here you just need to play your game, and there are no moves. We need 7, 8 and 9. We need to click on this. So this is how you can simply complete your level 2, which is very easy to play and interesting game. If you are, as I have already said, if you are a card lover, you can play this game for an hour. Now after completing level 1 and level 2, you can simply now you can log in your account in this app. At this page, you can see the options. You can see the symbol of settings at the very bottom left. And after clicking on the symbol settings, so this is how you can log in your ID. Here you can see the option My Account. After clicking on the option My Account, here you can see the various options, like you can log in with your email. Now after clicking on the login with the email, or you can also sign up with your you can sign up with your email. And after clicking on that, you can simply enter your emails and password for this app, and do remember your password for your account, which will be secure in future need. So after verification, you need to simply click on the option login, which is in color green. After clicking on the option login, you can simply log in your account app Candy Crush Solitaire. So this is how you can simply log in your account in this app, and this is very easy steps to follow. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. And thank you, and see you in the next video.